Hi, welcome to Giba's Creative Flow. We're doing a little spot check of all the plants today. So you are in my dining room. This is the aloe vera. So all I'm doing is just getting rid of some of the dead. You know what I do need to do? I think I need to top up some of this soil because it's, yeah, I think this is a lot worse than what I first thought. I'm gonna have to leave the aloe vera. We'll have to, I think I need to top up the soil and then poke them in. This one seems okay. And then we've got this plant. So I can take off this dead leaf. But I don't know what I'm doing wrong here because it's browning. But then I'm thinking, oh, it's got a fresh leaf coming through as well. So if you can help me on that, that'll be great. This is called a Monstera monkey leaf. Yeah, I thought I'd have more success with it because I've got other monsteras, but no. And then this monster is doing amazing. It's almost to the ceiling. So there is a leaf in here I want to just quickly scoot out, which is this yellow one, because it will just help it. It'll help the rest of the plant just grow better. I don't know why it's coloring. So then it's green. What is that shadowing? No, it is also. I reckon it'll just die, this one. Will I risk it and leave it, or I'm not sure what to do now because I'm looking at it and it looks healthy, but once it starts doing this, let's follow it down. Yeah, I'll give it another chance actually. I'll see how. I can't see. I can't see it going green. But look how beautiful the pattern is on this. So cute. You are lovely. You are very cute. The aerials are coming out lovely as well. And then I've got some other aloe veras here. Not having very good success. Although saying that, there's babies coming out of the bottom here. But this all needs a good. I need to fully take it out, take off all these dead bits, and then replace it into the soil. This is just a cutting that is that is ready to plant, isn't it? It's definitely ready to plant. Yeah. So I've just added more water in that today. My goodness, look at the size of this aerial root. Oh, hello. This is for that from that big one that we were just looking at. But you guys are not happy here, so I need to do something with you. Whether I repot you, get a grittier soil, I'll have to have a look. And then just coming along, we've got our jade plants. Again, I think I need to add more soil in all these. Stay. So just added water. The roots are doing fine. Can you see the roots on that one? So I'll leave that one tucked there nicely. But any dead leaves, we'll remove. Just so it doesn't contaminate the soil. And I'm quite happy with that. That's pretty healthy. If I missed any, yeah, that's all right. Might add a tiny bit more water there actually. This is actually, let's pop it on there. I think that's doing quite well. I've forgotten the name of it, you know. some more down here. It's quite dark in here, sorry if it's not a very good footage. This one's not doing very well. I'll need to plant it further down, don't I? But also they've not been watered for a while. I think that's not helped. Although these can actually tolerate quite a lot less water, so it's not a big thing. Sorry. Another one there in the fireplace nook. Yeah. This is the avocado plant. And then this one is very cute. I was actually scared to cut this back because some of the other leaves were doing this. Well, the whole thing was actually flopping, but my son cut back some of the dead ones and it's actually come back quite nice. So I'm so glad that was saved. This one is going crazy. Yep, that's how far it goes. Oh, wow. But yeah, this has been a bit of neglect here as well, but just saying that there's still thriving and it's got a new little baby coming as well, so can't be so bad. I'm just picking up the dry leaves and then we'll just do a quick check to see if there's any others falling. Oh yeah, there is more on the top here as well, plants. I still haven't changed this from the last video because it is cracked there, but it's still doing all right. And then there's another one there. Love the heart shapes. Okay, are you? Yeah, you're gone. You were propagation, but sorry. I think these guys are okay. Yeah, that's pretty healthy. Oh, I'm just gonna pause and get, so we're back. This is a rubber plant that's doing great actually, but I do like to turn it around sometimes, so there we go. Just pop that down there. This is the triangular oxalis plant, or it's also called a butterfly plant. Or what I might do, this leaf just came off, so I might just add it in this soil and see how it takes. Actually, let's just push it right down. Bit more. Yep. Are you fallen? You're okay. Right. I'm talking to the plant. Okay, I'm just going to pull out. So anything which is scraggly like this. So there's no purpose of it. Even this one, it's wrapping around this one and it's stopping from that one bit from being healthy. Let me just grab the tissue. Pop that on the floor. Sit. And let's get in here and grab these wriggly strands. Oh no, we've got some of the plant. Let's see if we can. Should we see if we can propagate this somewhere else? Like pop it in some other soil somewhere else. yeah, I'll do that. That's the job. This could be actually used in art projects, junk journaling. Quite a deep colour. These are the flowers that it got. Well, the end of the flowers. Okay. You guys are fine. What I like to usually do is turn the whole thing so it's got a different angle. It's a bit difficult where I've propped them now. To the light, a different angle to the light. Oh, that's so pretty. That's from this rubber tree plant, I think. We'll keep that. I'll press it into a book. Is that everyone accounted for? Just doing a visual check. Yeah, I think they're all happy. Let's see if we can actually, let me just try to, I can see some of this, the bulb of this. I'm just going to put some soil on there to the center. Yeah, I can't move it. Never mind. And then we've got it's a beautiful flower from this cacti. So it's doing really well. I'm going to give it a turn though. Just change its location. It keeps it healthy. So if you haven't seen the previous video, I did put the Easter cacti on that side and the Christmas cacti on this side, because I had two separate plants which were flowering at different times of the year. But I'm surprised it's actually took well to this setup, which is good. Yeah, I might need to bring in another table, because this plant, I think that, oh, not this one, I'll need to plant this one, but this triangular plant probably just needs a bit more. Yeah. Right then, shall I give you a quick view of what's going on in the garden as well while we're here? Just looks, oh look, can you see the nest straight ahead? I'll just zoom in, shall I? The nest in the tree there. And then we've also, if I bring it down, got some snowdrops. There they are, so cute. So thanks for spending time with me. I'm going to definitely be repotting this somewhere, and then yeah, and sorting the aloe vera out. Aloe vera. All right then, take care. Bye. Hi, I thought I'd get you to come along with me. So I'm trying to transplant this, which was from that one that was cracked. Do you remember that? So I'm making a right mess in this kitchen. But so what I've done, oh, and also that triangularis, I'm going to pop it into. I'll show you what I popped into in a sec. So what I was thinking is emptying the soil from here into here. This is just an old pot which it wasn't successful. The plant wasn't successful in here. So we're just reusing what we have. Oh my goodness gracious! I'm not sure how much you can see, but I'll show you in a second. So the roots on this were quite huge. So what I'm going to do is make sure there's less soil in the bottom, so these can all still fit in nicely. So it's a good job we actually did this, because you never would have known that this needed planting kind of thing. repotting. I'm just going to add that extra soil. Oh, there's soil everywhere. I'll show you in a sec. Well, I'll show you the mess in a sec. I'm just going to use the same water to add into there. Oh yeah, we just broke something. It's only a jar, don't we? Oh my goodness, okay, use the park over there. Everything's fine, don't worry. And we've got this. So this was actually a lamp, a glass jar, the lamp in our old house. So all I've done is added some soil in the bottom because this pot. Oh, yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, you can see what I'm doing. So this plant has just been popped into here, the triangular one. So all I'm going to do is just add this extra soil in here. I think I'll have to get some more as well because I don't think it's going to fill the whole thing. But yeah. Okay. Welcome to my kitchen. So yeah, so this is what I was on about. That'll be fine. Once that takes root, it'll be fine. But what's going on here, mate? Okay. Right, we're gonna have to. Oh, I just brought this little. And these were some plum seeds that I've kept. I need to plant these in the actual garden. So my granddad told me to do it now, but I'm too scared. So what I might do, I might give him half, and then I'll plant half. Or I'll watch him do. I'll watch him see. I'll see how he does it, and then I'll plant it in my garden. Yeah, that makes sense. Right. Yeah, we're talking about this. Hello. Yeah, it's my dishes today. I will sort the dishes out. Don't worry. Oh my goodness. Let's remove that first. Add that into the soil. There you are. I don't even know if you need this. Do you need to be on here? Let's have a look at you. Don't think it needs it, does it? Oh, it does need some bit cutting off. And then what I do sometimes is take out the brown bits here. Yep. Yeah, I think just that one stick without it being attached to anything is fine. Alright then, I'm going to leave it there and clear up this mess. I've got some mess on the floor as well. Flipping heck. Alright then. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.